Hey man, are you filming? Oh, okay.
So what you have here is a lot of built up carbon debris from very poor oil service intervals, and this can cause all kinds of engine problems and can vastly decrease the health of your engine. As you can see, the camshaft lobes are scored in here. It's just not in great shape. What happens from poor oil service intervals, but you can try and bring it back to a better health with the BG EPR service that we offer for oil services. It's an engine restoration cleaner, and it's specifically for degunking up your engine. This particular vehicle is going to need probably about every 1,000 miles do an oil change with the EPR service for like the next year, just trying to get this car back to some decent health because it's in pretty bad shape. He probably has no idea it looks this bad, but he'll probably notice a very vast increase in one, fuel economy and engine performance once it's all cleaned out. And I mean, he's got smoke coming from his exhaust right now, and some of this probably contributes to that. We are replacing the valve cover because the valve cover's crankcase ventilation valve that's incorporated in the valve cover failed, which is why the car's here to begin with. And you have to replace the valve cover to renew the crankcase vent valve, and that's why we see this now.
You see all this buildup here, all this sludge, if you will. So this is looking like either poor quality oil and really long intervals and not enough oil changes. Maybe a little bit of everything, honestly. So what I'm going to advise that you do, once I put this valve cover back on, I'm going to want you to do 1,000-mile interval oil services. And I have a product that's going to help clean this this gunk out here, this buildup. It just looks like mud that's slapped on the inside of your engine. But if you see, if I touch it with a pick, it's just, yeah, it's nasty. So I'm going to try to have the technician remove as much of this as possible for you. But this is why we want to use good quality oil, and this is why we want to do our oil changes on time to avoid this. So I just wanted to show you firsthand while I have it off, so you can see what you're working with. We're going to do 1,000-mile oil change intervals, and I'm going to give you an EPR cleaner, and that'll get this situated eventually.
Probably do your oil change